So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fold a regular hexagon from an A4 sheet of paper. Now the paper doesn't have to be A4, it could be A3 or A5, but if it's got the same sort of ratio size of paper, this method works quite well. So the first thing you have to do is fold your paper in half lengthways. Then open that out and fold the sides to the middle. And we open the paper out again, and with it lengthways we want to make a fold. We want to fold this corner here so that the point of the corner meets this vertical line and the edge of the fold meets the middle line. So we want the fold to start there and the corner to meet the line. Like that. And then we want to do the same on the other side. Make those folds as crisp as possible. Right, the next fold we want to make is to take the edge of this fold here and line it up with the side of the paper here, and it should fold along this edge here. And then we take the fold all the way across the paper. Then open that out and do the same on this side. And again, take that fold all the way across the paper. So open out those last two folds. The next fold we want to do is to take this edge of the paper here and fold it to meet this fold here. So it's going to fold like that. Now notice that this point there is not actually reaching the centre of the hexagon, and that's quite expected. If you're using A4 paper or similar dimensions, it won't reach the centre of the hexagon. And then we make the fold all the way across, open that out, and then our final fold is to take this edge here to meet that fold there. And again, it shouldn't reach the centre of the hexagon. And fold all the way along there. So now if we open out all our folds, you should see the hexagon there, here in the paper. Now if you want to actually cut that out, you can just cut along these lines, but an easier and possibly more accurate way, and certainly simpler because you only need one cut, is if you fold your paper like this, and you can start to see how accurate your hexagon was, because this line here should line up with that centre line. If it's a little bit off, you can adjust it slightly. Then pull this side of the paper on there. Then turn your paper over and fold this side on top of the other side over that middle line. So what we have now is all of our hexagon is folded up in this side, and all of the paper we don't need is over here. So we can create our hexagon by simply cutting along this line along the edge of that triangle, discarding those bits of paper, and when we open this out we should have a regular hexagon.